Hello everyone. So far we pretty much covered all the Excel shortcut keys, Control plus letters from A to Z. Starting from today, we'll start learning Control plus numbers instead. Please follow me and let's have fun. Today, we're going to learn Excel shortcut key, Control plus number 1. Again, Control plus number 1. Please follow me on your end. When you press Control key and number 1 key, it will display the Format Cells dialog box, as shown picture here. Please give it a try on your end and let me know if it works for you or not. From there, you can switch different tabs and make magics happen. That's all for today. Please subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, you take care and have a good day.